Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I am unboxing Jeffree Star mystery boxes for the summer, and I think I actually read that he said there's going to be at least 2 more before the end of the year. I'm like, well, you need to hold up because I really like to get these. I feel like even if I have some of the things, or you know, maybe it's not quite my thing, I don't know, they're just really fun, and for the most part they've been a good value. I know last time I did them people were like, oh, he's just getting rid of stuff. I feel like it was like 50-50 of half the products really weren't for me, like Regina George Highlight Super Pink, but then there were some really good ones in there too. But first of all, I literally just got these in the mail. I'm leaving for the beach in the morning, so I'm so excited, except for one little thing. I actually ordered one of each size, and I got the small and I got the large, but I did not get the medium one. I'll look up and tell you exactly what they are because it's not small, medium, large, it's like premium, deluxe.
So let's see.
So we have the mini. It was only $20 with 3 items, and it's a $50 value. I did order the premium, which was $45. It contains 5 items and has a value of $94. And finally, the deluxe one here. So this one is $70 and it has 10 items with a value of $175. I do intend on doing a giveaway too because I feel like I am bound to get some extras, and I think between all 3 boxes I'm definitely going to have multiple items that either don't work for me or are duplicates to what I already have, or duplicates in the box itself. So stay tuned until the end and I will let you guys know what you need to do to enter that. I am going to have 2 separate videos because I wanted to get this up ASAP, but I will have one giveaway between the 2 boxes, so be sure to be on the lookout for that next video if you want to win some goodies. You can turn on notifications. That's how you will be notified of my future uploads. Also, in this week's vlog, which is going to be postponed by a day or 2, I will have my giveaway for hitting 12,000 subscribers. I said I was going to do it when I hit 12,000, and then now it's like 12,300 something. Like, that happened in a couple of weeks and I'm just like catching up. So thank you so much if you are supporting my channel in any way, watching, liking, subscribing, commenting. It all honestly helps me so much and makes me so happy, so thank you so much. So before I just run my mouth for 10 minutes, let me go ahead and get into it. I've got tiny scissors because, like I said, I'm in my beauty room and I literally have not opened these. I should have grabbed different scissors, but I was just like, no, we're filming it right this minute. So the weird thing about the fact that I haven't gotten the medium one is not that just like I haven't gotten it, it's because these 2 came so quickly. The other one hasn't even shipped. So when I saw the notification today that I was getting these 2, I checked the other one and I'm like, wait a minute, that one's not even shipped yet, like what's going on? And still, like, it's later in the afternoon here and it still hasn't shipped, so I'm confused. I need like a little cute box cutter. I need to get one. Finally. Oh, we got another pop socket. So here is the pop socket. Not that these aren't cute, but like, yeah, I've seen the pop sockets. So honestly, I haven't even used this is the 3rd time I've gotten mystery boxes. I haven't even used the pop socket from the first one. So this will definitely go in a giveaway because I feel like possibly someone else could get better use out of it. Whereas for me, it's probably going to sit for a while. So it looks like we have 2 velour liquid lipsticks. This is the 2 packaging. So let's dive in. I feel like Scandal I may already have. So this shade Scandal I already have. I'm gonna grab mine. I do really like this shade though, so I'm glad that it is something wearable for one of you guys. Okay, so this is the shade Scandal. This is from the holiday collection. So it's a very wearable pink. And this one has a little bit of a shimmer in it. If there was ever a duplicate that I was like, ooh, maybe I should keep that, it would probably be this, but I want you guys to have it and I can just continue to wear this one. So the next one we have is called Medusa, and I can't tell which collection this is from. Oh, okay, so this is one of the sparkly pink packaging. I can't remember offhand which collection that was, but I definitely do not have this color. Ooh, this is a cool color. So this is like a deep slate purple, kind of really cool. It's definitely ultra dark and different, so not everybody would typically love that. So this one's not super exciting because I kind of did pay $20 and all I'm going to really keep out of it is one liquid lip, but I still like the mystery of it and I still like that I can give one to you guys. So out of this box, we're putting these 2 to the side. All right, let's get into the big one. This one I'm really excited about. All right, here's our box. Oh, okay, I see something exciting in there. Okay, so I'm really excited that they included a reusable straw. I will definitely get some use out of this. You know, it's the simple things. I like reusable straws, and this one is pink and super cute. So we got a Supreme Frost in the shade Hypothermia. I definitely do not have this one, so I'm excited to take a look. Ooh, that one's so cool. So of course, if you haven't seen the packaging, that's what it looks like. Typical Jeffree Star. Really nice packaging on these. And this is what it looks like. I have to give it a swatch. Oh, this is very different. So that is what it looks like. It's definitely a different color. I don't know exactly how I'm going to use this yet. Maybe dampening it on the eyes. Or I could actually use this as more of like a really cool blush shade. I know that would be very different, but kind of get creative on how I can use this because it's like a base of pink with a more blue shift is what I'm seeing. It's really pretty. It's very unique. I'm just gonna have to kind of get a little creative when it comes to making this a wearable item. You could always top an eyeshadow with this and that would be really pretty. So I'm not mad at it. It's different, but I'll use it. Another pop socket. This one is orange. I'm not a big fan of orange. So if I decide to keep one, it will probably be the chartreuse one because I do like that color a little bit more. So kind of stay tuned for that. I may swap it up a little bit. I got a velour liquid lip in the shade Diva. I think this is the family collection. Yes, with the light pink packaging. Let me make sure I don't have this one. I do not have the shade, so... Ooh, it looks like it's got a tiny bit of a shimmer to it. This is a really good, like, hot pink, super fun look. Kind of reminds me of Prom Night, except this one may be, like, a little bit toned down from that color. That one may be a little bit more intense, but I'm not mad at that. I'm excited for that one. Ooh, the exciting one. So the shade Question Mark. I believe this will be in both this box and the medium size one. So let's open it up. Okay, so this has the same chartreuse packaging as the summer collection. So I was kind of curious what this was close to. So in the summer collection, we have Fully Nude. This is Question Mark, which as far as I can tell, Question Mark looks a little bit pinker. So let me swatch that one and then I'm definitely going to swatch them side by side. Ooh, that's pretty. So here's Question Mark. Really good basic pink. And then let's swatch Fully Nude. Fully Nude is just a little bit warmer. So they are similar shades, as you can see. You've got Question Mark, you've got Fully Nude, but I really like them both. And they're different enough to me. One leans a little bit more warm, one leans a little bit more cool. So if you're looking for kind of like a more neutral pink, depending on the eye look, one of these will probably work. So I'm actually really excited, and I do believe that I will be getting another one of those for the giveaway in the other box. Oh my god, I got some good stuff. Let me tell you that I missed out on this shade and I was really sad about it. I never got it and now I have it. So this is the shade Poinsettia. It is a gorgeous red, and let me tell you, when this collection launched, I believe this was originally from holiday 2017. This is definitely updated packaging with the pink. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm trying to remember, and I just could not, I could not buy it at the time. I was like, no, I cannot spend any more money on makeup right now, but it is such a gorgeous red. It's got a beautiful, like, kind of metallic finish, but then you can see this little fleck in it. It's very fine. It's just so beautiful. That is like such a pretty holiday red. I cannot wait to wear this one. And we got one more velour liquid lip. This is in the shade Mannequin. Believe it or not, I also do not have this shade, so that is great. Well, I think I don't. Ooh, let me check to be sure. So I have moved some of my older Jeffree Star into a kind of like declutter pile for a future video. If I have this shade, it's buried in that pile, which means it's old. So some of those I'm going to be checking like if they're good or not, but I don't believe that I have this one. I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure that I don't. And this is a really pretty kind of like peachy nude. So that is Mannequin right there on the bottom. Very happy with that one as well. This particular box has yielded some very wearable, usable things. The highlighter was a little bit different, but so far, like, each one of these shades is so wearable for me personally that I am ecstatic. I'm really happy with it. We have a velour lip scrub. I love these. This was in Peach Popsicle. I do not have this one in my collection. Oh my god, that smells so good. It's like a peach ring, exactly.
Excuse me.
If you hear rustling of tissues, it is my cat trying to chew on the tissue. Mmm, that smells so good. The lip scrubs never disappoint. I love them. They're really good for the lips, but my god, the scents and flavors of them, amazing.
Yeah, well, you're being bad.
One more makeup item. This is the Dominatrix Velour Lip Liner. I only have one other lip liner, and I think I have something very neutral. So again, you're probably familiar with the packaging, but that is what I have. Okay, so this is like a pretty deep, rich brown. Not a color that I wear a lot, but if I was going to have this color in something, it would be a lip liner to give maybe a little bit of definition around the lip line. Not the horrible like 90s dark lip liner with a pale nude, but you know what I mean. If I'm wearing something that's a little bit darker but I want to deepen the outer portion of the lips, this would be a good one to kind of blend in with it. So I will give that one a shot. I'm really fond of the formula of the one that I have, but I just haven't purchased any on my own. The other one also came from a mystery box, so I am happy with that. The last thing in the box is a clothing item. I did go with a large. I would rather it be a little bit too big than a little bit too small, and this is a t-shirt. Oh, that's pretty cute. I have now, this is the third t-shirt I have, again from mystery boxes, but I don't mind collecting them. I don't know, the thread up top is not looking so great, and this one feels pretty thin. Like, I don't know if you can see, but you can kind of see through it. So I don't know, I feel like the other two that I have are better quality than this one. Maybe that's just me. It's 100% cotton, so I don't know what the difference might be. It just feels a bit different, but it's black with the little chartreuse symbol, and then the back is really cute. It says, "Hi, how are you?" This reminds me of like a sitcom from the 80s, this font, but it's really cute. So let me try to sum up this one for you. So of the 10 items, we got a t-shirt, these 3 liquid lips, we got Poinsettia, Diva, Mannequin, we got a lip scrub, a lip liner in Dominatrix, we got a pop socket, a metal straw, and we also got the highlighter. So how many items is that? And then finally we have the question mark velour liquid lip, which to me is a really beautiful pink color. I do have a lot of wearable shades here. I'm so excited that I got Poinsettia. Like, that makes me happier than maybe anything else. I'm really happy with this one, especially my assortment of liquid lips. I love the scrub. I will use the liner. I am just flipping out over the straw. Really happy about that. And then our mini box, we got the pop socket, the Scandal velour liquid lip, and the Medusa velour liquid lip. I think I am going to hold on to the chartreuse pop socket, and I will give you guys the orange one. I'm also giving you guys the Scandal velour liquid lip. There will be at least one other item in the medium box that I will put into this giveaway. So at the very least, a couple velour liquid lips and a pop socket. So be on the lookout for the next video. So what I'll be looking for is that you are subscribed to my channel. Make sure to give the video a big old thumbs up if you like mystery unboxings and giveaways. And then comment down below and let me know if you've tried any of the Jeffree Star products and what you think about them personally. I will have in the other video that you need to comment on that one as well. So be sure, I'm be looking for your comment in both videos. With your comment, just leave your Twitter handle, your Instagram handle, some way that I can get a hold of you, email if you don't have those, and I will pick a winner between the 2 videos. So I can't wait to film the other one. I don't know where this box is. I'm hoping it's not going to arrive tomorrow and sit outside for 3 days. That would be really sad. So that is it for now. Thank you so much for watching this video. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video.